Hey beauties, it's me, Allegra. I am just getting ready for church right now, so I figured I would do a little chit chat get ready with me for church. I am just feeling kind of down and out for no reason, but probably I just feel so lonely because um talking to you guys is, makes me so happy, and I feel like I haven't been doing that. So I'm just gonna chit chat and get ready. I have some new makeup here. I have this new palette from Too Faced. It's called the Frosted Strawberry. Actually smells so good. I mean, they said it's gonna smell like Pop-Tarts, strawberry Pop-Tart. I think it does. So anyway, yeah, so I'm just gonna do my brows. And now, what's been going on lately, guys, with you? Are you guys out enjoying the summer? I have been out a lot, which is good. I've been getting, a lot of exercise. I've been paddleboarding. But let me tell you guys, that's actually, I posted it and a few people had, I said I almost drowned, and I really did. So, I wanted to, I didn't want to speak about it. I actually made a video about it, but like I was just chit-chatting and letting you guys know what happened. I erased it because it was so depressing. It just got me so down in the dumps. It was just, but I shouldn't be depressed. I should be happy I'm alive. My husband saved me. But what happened was, I've been paddleboarding, and I thought paddleboarding, to be completely honest, I would see paddleboarding, I said, how is that exercise? How is that doing anything? I actually thought it was like, I thought it was like very silly. I said, there's no way that's burning calories. There's no way that's doing anything. Well, then I see now why it burns thousands of calories, because sometimes you're literally like, the other day, for example, not when I almost drowned, but when the other day we were out, me and my husband, and all of a sudden this windstorm came and we were out. There's like an island. We had paddleboarded to the island, and we were like having to basically fight for our lives through the wind because the paddleboard was like getting sucked under the water. And it was so, I said, yeah, I'm pretty sure I did burn 10,000 calories today. I mean, because we were just like fighting. You couldn't even believe it. We were trying to paddle and it wouldn't even move because the wind was so strong. So yeah, this is no joke, this paddleboarding. I don't even want to say, guys. But anyway, what happened when you'd be surprised I even went out again after what I'm going to tell you happened prior to that. Yeah, we were paddleboarding, and I don't know what, another thing, looks like a nice day. We live on a lake. It's a quiet lake. It's not like Lake Michigan. It's not a huge lake. And all of a sudden we were paddleboarding, and all of a sudden these huge waves came out of nowhere. And again, the water looks very calm, but it just comes out of nowhere. And yeah, what happened was I fell off my paddleboard, and I fell into the water. I do wear a life vest, thank God, but I had my life vest on, but this was my first time falling in the water or whatever, and basically needing to use it. And what happened was it came up over my head, and it was like smushing me in the face. And then somehow I swallowed water. And so I was choking, and then I started panicking, and thank God my husband was there. And my husband wasn't a lifeguard, but he went for lifeguard training. So he came and he had to like pull me in, and oh my God. And it was so terrifying because I was choking. I was drowning. And if he didn't save me, I don't, that's why it gets depressing, because every time I think about it, I'm like, oh my God. And it got me, I shouldn't be depressed though about it. I should be happy because, again, I'm so blessed that he saved me, that he has lifeguard training, because he was able to take me and swim through the waves and pull me in and get me, and he got the paddleboard and he put me on the paddleboard. It was, he like hoisted me up. It was crazy, you guys. So again, I shouldn't be depressed, but it just, I'm human. We're all human. And it does, you're like, wow, what just happened? It was so terrifying. It was so scary. And then poor President Obama, what happened to his chef the other day. I don't even want to say, but he was paddleboarding in like 8 feet of water. So, you know, I don't want to stop paddleboarding because I love it, and I was having so much fun. Guys, I don't understand the water. It's like nothing. Now, yesterday, I've been going since. Again, we went after that happened. I was like, you know, I don't want to be scared. So I said to myself, you know, I'm going to keep going. And so we went, and then we got stuck in that windstorm. So it's just, you know, it's all good though, guys. Because again, I have to stay focused on being positive and grateful that everything's fine. I don't know why. I did start trying to eat. Okay, I had been on keto. I think I lost like 15 pounds. So that's amazing. But then I started eating high carb again because these carbs snuck up on me. And guys, I am having a giveaway today. So make sure that you're subscribed, and I will be having a giveaway for a $25 Ulta Sephora gift card. So make sure you're subscribed and comment #GlamFam down below so you'll be entered. So I had been doing keto, lost like 15 pounds. I was being very strict with it, where I only ate, you know, like less than 40 carbs a day. And I don't think I've ever done that in my life. Would eat low carb where I just wouldn't eat bread, but I never really watched my carbs. And this time I really watched my carbs, and I was eating 40 carbs a day, and felt amazing. But then I got hooked on hummus, and I could not stop eating hummus. Naturally, like the hummus that I was eating, I wound up eating hundreds of carbs because it's like it's a bean, I guess, chickpeas, made out of chickpeas. And so I wound up probably gaining some weight. So now it's day 3, you guys. I've gone back to no carb. Thank God. I broke the addiction to this hummus because I could not stop eating it. I don't know if there was something in it that my body was just like, oh my God. I think I'm a carb addict because I've always been this way. That's why it's better for me just to stay away from carbs. It's like, I feel like my body is like, it's almost like they say that carbs and sugar is more addicting, or as addicting as, say, heroin, as drugs. That's why it's very hard for people to lose weight, because it's, you know, it's like asking someone, why don't they just stop taking heroin after they've become addicted? It's just impossible. It's just really impossible. Or it's, you know, 1 in a million person can just stop without help. I don't even know. I don't think anybody can stop without help. You're going to need to go to the doctor. You're going to need help because your body is so addicted. They said the sugar and fat, sugar and carb combination, it produces the same addiction in your body, the same feeling like if you were addicted to heroin, that you just cannot stop. So for me, I feel like whenever I eat any carbs, that happens to me. I just feel like I cannot stop. So guys, my husband just came, so I gotta just hurry up and get ready now. But I just put on this. This is the Charlotte Tilbury, those lip blurs. I really don't like these. I mean, everybody, I guess, says they love them, but I don't know. Maybe I have to wear it more. But, you know, they do feel good. Let me see. Today I'll let you know. You know, is it super long lasting? Is that what it is? Because so far, I'm just like, what is this? Not all that. But maybe today I'll wear it. See if it's, maybe I haven't had a chance to really wear it all day, you know what I mean? So, and then this is the Too Faced Plumping Lip Liner. Love that. So let me just go ahead and put a quick eye look on. But yeah, so what was I talking about now, guys? Again, I was telling you guys about the keto. So I was thinking, I have been now, today will be day 3 that I got back on keto. So, you know, maybe I was having like some depression, because they say when you first stop eating carbs, you know, maybe you get depression. So maybe that's what happened, because I just was feeling depressed. So anyway, guys, here is this shade here. I've been wearing this a lot. I was wearing this the other day. The pink shades, I mean, if you have blue eyes, they really make your eyes pop. But here is, oh, and I love this. You guys, I'm so addicted to this. My little beauty device from TikTok made me buy it. I first showed this to you guys, but I used it only for eyeliner, but now I've been using it for eyeshadow, and it's so amazing. I mean, look at that. It's oh my gosh. And I love how it doesn't hurt your skin, but gives you that lift. So, and of course you could do your eyeliner with it too, and it's going to pretty much come out, you know, perfect. You get a nice perfect wing liner. So anyway guys, then I'll just really quickly tell you, also these people got me so down in the dumps because this company had written to me asking me to do a collab, and I was like, sure, great, because I really love their product. And so I was like, great, I would love to collab with you. So now they sent me the product, but what happened was, I mean, they said they sent it to me 2 weeks ago, but I just got it the other day. I went to my P.O. box, but it was just there like 2 days ago. And so they started writing me these letters, and they're like, we want the video, we have a contract with you, you were supposed to produce the video within set 5 days, and it's been 2 weeks. And I was like, what are you talking about? I just got it yesterday. And they were like, no, our records show that you got it 2 weeks ago. And they wrote me this letter, and they're like, we're suing you, and you know, for not following through with your contractual obligations and this, that, and the other. I said, what? They were actually writing me, you guys, telling me they're gonna sue me and I'm not a liar. I just got it 2 days ago. So on top of it, I'm like, how dare you people, you know, try to insinuate, try to call me a liar and say, no, I got it 2 weeks ago. No, I didn't get it 2 weeks ago. And actually I told them I have the receipt from my post office box. And they didn't realize that. I guess most people probably get it sent to their house. I got it sent to my P.O. box. So my P.O. box had a record of me just picking it up 2 days ago, and I have to sign for it, and it was 2 days ago. So I don't know. Again, they just were like writing me these disgusting letters, got me so down in the dumps. And I shouldn't really be, you know, care so much, I guess, but it's just really shocking how, and then they were writing me these nasty letters. I said, really, that's the way that you talk to people? I can't believe it, you guys. They were just, you can't believe how these people write you such disgusting letters. And I mean, most people are nice, but there's some people, and it's like, and then they're like, well, they're writing to me, well, after they wrote me such disgusting letters, I can't even tell you, like, just the verbiage, the terminology that they used was so nasty. And then they were like, so where's our video? I'm like, really? So you're gonna sue me, you're talking so disgusting to me, and now you want me to make a video for you and tell everybody how nice and great you are. Where is the logic in that? Help me make that make sense. Make it make sense. You know what I mean? It's like, it doesn't make sense. Okay, and I'm just like, I just had enough, you guys. I'm just so stressed out about the whole thing. It just, you know, it just bothers you. People are so rude. And I feel like, do they think like, I could be wrong, but I'm like, do they think because you're a woman that they can talk disgusting to you? Is that what it is? I don't know. Like, would you talk like that to a man? I don't know. I don't know, guys. I for some reason, I don't think so. I think they think that we're women and they could just talk however they want to us, etc., etc. It's just, you know. But you guys, I'm running late now, so I do thank you guys for listening to me rant. Hopefully you can hear me, because I know I'm probably whispering. And, you know, I do have to hurry up and get ready, though. And I actually, did I tell you guys my husband came in? So, you know, let me just put on some mascara. I feel like I need blush. I look, you know, I just don't look great without blush, right? Or some kind of bronzer or something. I look kind of ghostly. But anyway, guys, how is your summer going? But yeah, I had more stuff to tell you guys. That just, so many things just bothering me. You're like, girl, everything bothers you, I know. So this is a cute look for church. You know, I keep forgetting I'm going to church, because you know me, I'll pull out the lashes, I'll pull out I'm already highlighted and contoured for church. I'm probably gonna have to take some of this off because, you know, I don't know if you guys remember, but where I used to live, I used to go to church full glam. Somebody even wrote me, they said, how are you going to church like that? Well, at my old church, no, first of all, it was COVID. There was nobody there. Nobody was going to church. I mean, it was open, but nobody was going, so I was the only one there. Me and my husband were the only ones in the church. But even after now, at my old, where I used to live, I don't think anybody would care. They just didn't care. But my new church, since I moved, the priest has this, like, a sign, has a list on the wall. There's a sign with how he wardrobe guidelines. And he says, you know, be covered up, be modest in dress. So I love him so much. You know, he's such a nice person. I respect everybody. I'm so happy to be there. So I'm not gonna not follow the rules. If they want you to dress modest, I will dress modest. And it's not dressing modest, but they just said, you know, just be more covered up. I forgot what he wrote. He used a phrase. He was like, don't have everything showing, you know, something like that. I don't know. It was funny the way he wrote it. He's like from Brooklyn, and he's like 85, but he looks so young. So I'm probably gonna have to I will be taking some of this off. But then, okay, so this is good. You're like, girl, stop. I got this cute Walmart dress. I'm gonna be doing a Walmart haul. I got some beautiful dresses from Walmart. They were literally $7. Some of them BCBG. I don't know how. They were on Walmart online. So I'll do a little OTD and then I'll go. But guys, thanks for coming and spending time with me today. Chit Chat, get ready with me. And I'll be back soon, guys. Love you. I'll just do an OOT tear now. I'll see you later. Bye. So this is the Walmart dress that I was telling you guys about. And then I have this really pretty print. And then I have on these Gucci slides. And then my Gucci crossbody, so everything's pink, matching. And I'm gonna put a jacket on over this. So this is my little OOTD. Has this pretty ruffle detailing here. Okay, I'm gonna run now, guys. See you soon. Bye. Love you.